Good morning, everyone. It's me, your machine. Ako, it's on today. This man happy every day.
At nakauto pa nga sa isang bata. At sayang-saya rin naman siya nung naririnig niya yung boses niya.